We really want the central government to really pay attention to us, to really expedite this process, because it's been, like a year, and there's been so many people displaced, so many people who has been murdered, women who have been raped, and still no justice has been met yet.
How long will the central government allow Manipur to be burnt? That only they can tell. If the President of India wants to talk about Kolkata horror, I wish he spoke about Manipur.
Hundreds from the Kuki-Zo community of Manipur staged a protest against the ongoing violence in the state at New Delhi's Jantar Mantar. Organized by the Kuki Students Organization, the protesters demand immediate attention of the centre for formation of union territory with legislature for Kuki-Zo tribals.
My demand, I would say, is basically to live in a place where I can live peacefully, I can wake up peacefully, that one day I don't have to wake up with my house burned, my school burned, my family kidnapped. I don't want to be in that situation ever again. So if that comes in the form of a UT, great. If they can figure out something else, that's also great, but I just need my safety and security.
We are voicing out our voices for the past 1 year, but till today justice hasn't been served to us, neither our demand has been heard.
I am so happy for the IDPs for turning up to this protest, because they are the internally displaced persons who were attacked in the Imphal Valley on May 3rd of 2023. By the grace of God, they escaped and they are now stationing in the national capital, and they are now turning up to express their dissent.
As the war is being dragged on, our youth, the youth who are supposed to study in their universities, who are supposed to study for civil services, they're now protecting their villages. And this is all because of justice being delayed. Most of my brothers and sisters who recently has passed out their class 12, undergraduate and master could not pursue their further study because of all this violence that has been occurring. Their parents have to strive so much for their college fees, for their admission fees.
Honestly, I do not see the center playing any role. Obviously, for namesake, they send their teams or they send representatives on their behalf to come and talk, like which they tag as peace talks. But then you see, like if there were genuinely peace talks, there would be peace restored by now. But instead of peace, we're being separated even more deeply and even more intensely. We're separated emotionally, mentally, and so now what we are waiting for is separation geographically and officially.
If the government wants its people to thrive, if the government wants peace, then the first action, the only solution of this period is separate administration as union territory with legislative assembly.
How long will the central government allow Manipur to be burnt? That only they can tell. If the President of India wants to talk about Kolkata horror, I wish he spoke about Manipur. I wish when she visits other northeast places, she visits Manipur, which is right beside it.